Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I am going to talk to you about a very important step to take when one of your loved ones passes away. If you want to reach me, you can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or you can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. Now, the reason I want to talk to you about this today is because it's something that came up very recently in an estate plan that I was completing with one of my clients. This client's spouse unfortunately passed away last year, and while they took almost every single step that they were supposed to take, they did miss one step, and when we were doing their estate plan, I also missed the step until the very end. And it's something that I figured everybody should be aware of. So, what is the step that they missed? First of all, did you know that when someone passes away and they own property, you need to alert the county recorder's office via either an affidavit of death or death certificate, depending on where you live, that that person has passed away? You might not think that it's necessary if ownership is going to change in the near future on the property. However, if it's a husband and wife or if it's jointly owned property, it should definitely be done. Now, that wasn't the mistake that my client made. The mistake was this couple actually owned property in two different areas and only alerted one of the recorders and not the other one. I failed to notice that as well. So we both made a mistake in submitting a new deed to one of the counties in which they own a home. And the county recorder rejected it, saying that they never received notice that the other spouse had passed away. And instead of just accepting the fact that this happened, they need to have proof of it, of course. And so now my client has to go have a new document notarized in order to have the deed changed. So that's something that is going to happen anyway, regardless of whether you are creating an estate plan. Ownership is going to change, but if you just submit that notice as soon as you're able to, it will prevent you from taking extra steps later and having to do any back and forth with the county recorder's office. And every county has different requirements, so definitely check with the county or your lawyer before you go in and submit any documents. Certain cover pages are needed and other documents are necessary as well. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact me. As I mentioned before, you can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. Thank you.